Welcome back, Crammers, to question 27. Factorize x squared plus 5x minus 24. In order to do this, we'll be using finding square method, where we multiply the constant with the coefficient of x, which here is 1. We get negative 24. What we're trying to do here is find two values that when multiplied equal negative 24, but when added equal 5x. Here I can see we have 8 and negative 3. When we multiply 8 and negative 3, we get negative 24. But 8 minus 3 equals 5. So we can try here x squared plus 8x minus 3x minus 24. Notice how 8x minus 3x is still equal to 5x. We haven't changed the equation, we're just simplifying it. So now we can factorize x into x plus 8. X in plus 8, so we can see here 24 divided by 8 is negative 3. So now we combine these two, which gives us x minus 3, and we simply write this down, which is x plus 8. So now we can put here x minus 3 and x plus 8. Hence, solve x squared plus 5x minus 24 is equal to 0. What that means is the answers that we found here, we simply equate them to 0. X minus 3 is equal to 0. We bring that to the other side. That means x is equal to 3. So we can write here x is equal to 3. And we have here x plus 8 is equal to 0. We bring 8 to the other side. X is equal to negative 8. X is equal to negative 8. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.